Hey everyone, this is Jon Meier with Backcountry Containers, and we're going to be trying something new. We're going to be walking through one of our latest builds out in Oceanside, Oregon, and I wanted to kind of show you how we did it. It's kind of a quick run through of when the container came into the shop and kind of showing how we made the cuts. Some people don't get to see these types of things, so shows how we put the 2x2 steel tube in to reinforce our cutouts. And this container home was really a fun project because we never built something out like that was going to be on the coast, and we're excited to kind of put a ton of windows in and make this place feel very open and airy so you could take in all the beautiful views around you. And it certainly didn't disappoint. It was a neat little property, really tiny property, which is perfect for a single 40-foot container home like this. And here you can see utilities going into place and putting our own spray foam. We actually spray foam ourselves, have our own little machine, and it allows us to take our time there and make sure we get it nice and full. One of the big challenges with this home was, as you can kind of see as we kind of start to look around the home here, is the bathroom placement. Now typically we put a bathroom on the end and then our bedroom on the end, and that gives us enough room for a shower and toilet and all that good stuff. This one had to kind of go in line with the hallway, so we had to have enough room for a properly sized hallway while also squeezing the bathroom in. I'm really happy with how it turned out, though. We were able to kind of get everything we needed, and really the shower felt pretty good, and customer was happy with it. So you can see this thing start to finally take shape here. Got those cool beams on the ceiling, the kitchen. These cabinets are being built so fast. Hard to keep up here. Tiles in place. Oh, okay, more tile. This was an idea I had, was to put that wood on the ceiling. Really happy with it turned out with the subway tiles. Those are large format subway tiles too, which was nice. Nice modern big industrial barn door, black, matte black. Really looked great. Here's the cladding on the outside. Very simple, straightforward. It is simply superficial cladding for a nice little pop on the outside. Big window on the end. That was 6 foot wide by 7 foot high. Huge window. And big day here. Transport, crane. That's our crane. And all of a sudden it's in Oregon. And crane day on Oregon. So that went really well. And bam, in place. Easy as that. And now we start building the deck. Really wanted to make this place have a nice outdoor space to help, alleviate some of the space constraints on the inside, and can't be happier with how that turned out. Those big doors open up. That's such a cool feature. We loved that. The customer loved it. So really happy we decided with that. Here we are kind of looking at the finished product after it was all installed. Nice little flip up dining table there. Again, living room felt bigger because of that big window. Bathroom, spacious yet, smartly laid out. Bedroom's got a little storage there on the side, and there's our last final shot there of the hallway. Cool drone shot of me panning out. And here's a picture of me with the customer and their puppy in the background. Don't miss her. Now listen, I hope you enjoyed kind of this little quick run through we did. I hope to do this for every build we do and in some of our old builds. So go ahead and keep up with our page by liking and subscribing to us, and hopefully we'll have some more for you soon. Take care.